Ibotta offers usually don't show up because the app's location detection, account eligibility filters, or retailer sensing system fails to match your profile with active promotions. It's less about missing offers and more about the app not loading the right data for your account. By the end of this, you'll know why Ibotta offers are not showing, and the exact fixes that bring missing offers back into your account. First issue is location and store detection. Ibotta relies on your device location and selected retailer to load relevant offers. If location permissions are off, or the app can't confirm where you are shopping, it often hides nearby deals. The fix is to enable precise location permissions and manually select your store inside the app, instead of relying only on automatic detection. Second issue is account sensing delays. Ibotta pulls offers from multiple retailers and brand partners, and sometimes that data doesn't refresh correctly. When this happens, the app may show a limited or empty list. Closing the app completely, reopening it, or logging out and back enforces a fresh sync with the offer database. Third issue is outdated app data. If the app hasn't been updated recently, older cached versions of the offer feed can block new promotions from appearing. Clearing cache or reinstalling the app resets the local data and reloads the current offer catalog from scratch. Another common issue is retailer-specific filtering. Ibotta only shows offers that match your selected store. If your store is set incorrectly, you might think offers are missing when they're simply assigned to a different retailer. Switching between major stores inside the app often immediately changes what offers appear. There are also account-level limitations. If your account has incomplete verification or unusual activity patterns, the system may restrict certain offer categories. This can reduce what appears in your feed without any visible warning. Completing profile details and maintaining normal redemption behavior usually restores full access over time. To bring it together, missing Ibotta offers usually come from location permission issues, sensing delays, outdated app data, incorrect store selection, or account-level filtering. The system is highly dependent on real-time data matching, so even small mismatches can hide offers. The next step is simple. Turn on location access, manually select your store, refresh the app, and check again after clearing or reinstalling if needed. Subscribe for more fixes that explain what cashback apps are actually doing behind the scenes instead of guessing through random troubleshooting.